Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can probably tell by the thumbnail and the title, today we're going to be changing the wastegate actuator on my 2011 Chevy Cruze. This thing just leaks oil. It should be a simple fix. It's about like 3 bolts, 1 hose, but I'm fixing this because I'm experiencing a lot of codes, as you guys could tell. Put a picture there. 15. Nah, not really. I forgot to plug in a couple sensors, but I'm still running the PO299, which is the turbo underboost. So hopefully this will fix the turbo, because this thing's like driving a go-kart without a turbo basically. It should be a pretty simple fix. All we gotta do is take off this heat shield, undo those bolts. That might be a little hard, they're a little rusted on there, but my theory is that isn't able to move because it's rusted, or like, you know, just old. Shiny always looks better, so I'm gonna move some of these hoses out of the way. Pretty easy. All right, so the bolt size for these are E10. I'm gonna loosen these up. It's only 3 bolts, it looks like, maybe 4. All right, so you actually do need a 10 millimeter to hold the bolt on the back, so it can, you know, spin. All right, you should be able to just wiggle this thing loose now. All right, so you gotta freaking maneuver it around. You got that off. You can see the cat, and then this is the C-clip we're gonna have to remove, so just grab a screwdriver for that. And then I believe that is a 10 millimeter, yeah. All right, so we got those bolts off, as you guys can see, nice and off. Now we're just gonna get the screwdriver under here, pop that clip off. There we go. Oh, it's hot. So we got these bolts. I got 1 new bolt in these. They didn't send me 2. Shout out Amazon. It's only $30, so I can't complain. Yeah, now we should be able to take this line off here, and then it should just basically just pop right out. All right, so you just want to get some leverage against the headers here, and then pop that thing out of place. And then we have the old one. All right, so we got this put on. I just gotta clip that clip on. Basically, you want to put these in and then adjust this till this hole goes onto this nub here, but this way. It should look like this. Then I'm gonna torque these down to 18 foot-pounds. I'm just gonna do 20 to play it safe, because I do have 1 old bolt. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then all we gotta do is put that back on, and then it should be done. All right, guys, we got everything back installed. Everything's fixed. We're gonna do a little test start up here. Oh. Did that sound good or bad? I don't think it sounded too good. If y'all didn't know, this thing is the ultimate shitbox. This thing just leaks oil. I don't know why I wrecked it, actually. Not a good idea, but seems to be running okay. That's it for today's video, guys. If you guys want to see more videos on the Cruze, there's always something to fix, so I'll definitely do that if you guys are interested. So leave a comment down below, and yeah, make sure you smash that like button, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace.